Obriy is a professional UAV mission simulation platform for operator and unit training, mission planning, crew coordination, and UAV development. Obriy enables drone units to train together within a shared tactical scenario, delivering real-time coordination, mission tracking, and seamless team collaboration. Through networked workstations, operators share a common tactical picture and work together as a coordinated team. Every participant can monitor mission progress, respond to changing conditions, and contribute to collective decision-making throughout the exercise. A single training scenario can accommodate up to 20 participants, including instructors, operators, and navigators, all operating within one synchronized environment. Every member of the unit works from the same operational picture, with shared access to mission objectives, threat intelligence, navigation data, and evolving mission timelines. This ensures continuous situational awareness and enables teams to coordinate effectively throughout every phase of the operation. Using the Advanced Mission Editor, instructors can build and customize realistic training environments by adjusting weather conditions, time of day, aerial and ground threats, and allied force positioning. Mission parameters can be tailored to specific training objectives, including threat placement, engagement ranges, electronic warfare zones, and mission success criteria. Training conditions can be adjusted dynamically with realistic day-to-night transitions, evolving weather effects, and advanced camera perspectives that enhance operational realism. Multiple drone platforms, mission roles, and operational objectives can be integrated into a single synchronized exercise, creating a realistic and coordinated training experience. Obriy supports scalable skill development, from individual pilot training and crew coordination to complex team scenarios, unit-level maneuvers, and hyper-realistic, high-stakes environments. Obriy supports a wide range of applications, including mission planning, environmental simulation, counter-drone operations, and critical infrastructure protection. Train together, execute together, improve together. For more information, please contact your Obriy APAC partner at info@tyco-tech.com.